everyone, this is Onion. It's Friday, March 26th, pre-market. This morning I'm going to go over Churchill Capital with you, look at some technical insight, short selling activity, and institutional holdings. It's almost 9 a.m. and you can see the bid and the ask are a little bit below yesterday's close, with some fairly moderate volume here. Most likely reacting, I find Churchill always follows a NEO, and NEO had a press release today saying they're going to have a 5-day production shutdown that's going to affect about 1,000 vehicles for Q1. So most likely that's why pre-market price at Churchill is dropping a little bit. But we'll have to see today to confirm. But it always does seem to follow NEO. If we look at this week, there have been 3 bearish events triggered, and you can see here just the last 3 days. It's been following the 21 moving day average downwards, and then it really went down yesterday, but it recovered nicely. Back up to the $24 range. I've been saying for a while now, support line is around 23.50, so it's nice to see that it jumped back up over there. If we look at the lower indicators, they're all still suggesting downward or sideways movement here. The MACD was coming up a little bit, but it never did cross the average line. But it does now seem to be evening out with the average line. So it's still below the zero line, but it's not an indication. This is an indication that it's not going to go down any further. It's more or less going to go sideways. Obviously, a press release or anything can change that. But you can see here all the indicators are starting to either point up or go sideways. And your RSI is it's at 43, so it has a lot of room to go in either direction. But like I said, the indicators are pointing sideways or upward short term anyway. So your short institutional activity yesterday was below 20, but that's not uncommon for Churchill. Like it's usually 20s, upper teens or lower 20s. So it was a fairly normal day for short selling. Now I just checked if you wanted to sell short today, the borrow rate is 2.28%. And there's 3.5 million shares available, and that value can change throughout the day. So institutional activity, there hasn't been anything reported since or filed since March 1st. So as of this morning, you have 153 institutional owners, and they represent 56.48% of the float. I hope this video helps. Have a wonderful day, and good luck.